The cryptocurrency space is dominated by Bitcoin and remains as the flagship digital asset, accounting for 40% of the $1 trillion global market capitalization of all digital assets. However, the widespread practice of wash trading, which is a kind of phony or fake volume, and the lack of adequate oversight across crypto exchanges are two of the most prevalent criticisms leveled against Bitcoin. Hello and welcome to VAR India News Hour. According to a Forbes analysis of 157 crypto exchanges and trading platforms, more than half or 51% of all reported trading volume is likely to be fake or non-economic. Bitcoin represents 40% of the $1 trillion global crypto market. As per Forbes, there is no universally accepted method of calculating Bitcoin daily volume, even among the industry's most reputable research firms. For instance, CoinMarketCap puts the latest 24-hour trading of Bitcoin at $32 billion, CoinGecko at $27 billion, Nomics at $57 billion, and Messari at $5 billion. According to the report, there is no genuine method of calculating Bitcoin daily volume even among the industry's most reputable research firms. In terms of how much Bitcoin activity takes place, 21 crypto exchanges generate $1 billion or more in daily trading activity, while the next 33 exchanges had volume between $200 million and $999 million. The biggest problem areas regarding fake volume are firms that tout big volume but operate with little or no regulatory oversight that would make their figures more credible, notably Binance, Mexi Global, and Bybit. Altogether, the lesser regulated exchanges in the study account for approximately $89 billion of the true volume. The creation of new trading assets and products such as stablecoins and perpetual futures adds complications for national authorities seeking to regulate crypto markets. Major US exchanges hardly utilize these instruments or contracts in any of their trading. However, offshore exchanges make significant use of them as ways to synthetically create US dollar liquidity on their platforms. Binance is the leader with a 27% market share, followed by FTX. Chicago-based CME Group is the market leader in Bitcoin futures trading. After showing some stabilization in the last few weeks, world's largest cryptocurrency Bitcoin has plunged once again below $20,000 after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's keynote address. Now let us look into today's headlines in VAR India. Singapore offers 5-year work pass to foreigners. The Singapore government has decided to ease the visa rules for high-salaried expats and a few exceptional talents. As per the new directive by the Ministry of Manpower, foreigners earning a minimum 30,000 Singapore dollar per month can now secure a 5-year work pass with the provision to allow their dependents to seek employment. The announcement is expected to attract international business to drive the city-state's ambitions as a global financial hub after a pandemic-era slump in white-collar workers from abroad. RBI imposes monetary penalty on 8 cooperative banks. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary policy on 8 cooperative banks for violating certain norms. Based on all the violations, a notice was issued to each bank separately, advising them to show cause as to why penalty should not be imposed for the said violation. The central bank said all these actions are based on deficiencies in regulatory compliance and are not intended to pronounce upon the validity of any transaction or agreement entered into by the bank with its customers. EarlySalary raises $110 million at $300 million valuation. Fintech startup EarlySalary, which offers instant cash loans and salary advances, has raised $110 million in a Series D round led by TPG's The Rise Fund and Norwest Venture Partners. The company confirmed its valuation to $300 million. The latest investment will enable EarlySalary to grow its business significantly in the next 24 months. The Pune-based company provides accessible financial lending solutions of up to Rs 5 lakh to working professionals. Hackers using LinkedIn's chat and other tools to steal users' data. Microsoft-owned LinkedIn is being used by hackers to spread data-stealing malware via sending connection requests in disguise of people working with reputed companies. Researchers from CloudSec found that scammers are exploiting LinkedIn's chat and job posting features to share links or files that are laced with stealer malware. Once opened, a stealer malware is deployed on the victim's system, from which it steals password, credit card information, and other sensitive data and sends it to the threat actors. The stolen credentials are then used to compromise and take over the victim's social media and email accounts. Snap to lay off 20% workforce. Snapchat parent Snap is reportedly planning to lay off roughly 1,300 employees. The Snap Minis team will be impacted severely by the layoffs, along with Snap's hardware division that is responsible for AR spectacles, glasses, and the Pixie drone camera. Snap is already in the early stages of planning layoffs. Snap CEO Evan Spiegel also told employees that the company would pull back on hiring and find additional cost savings. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Var India News Magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.